Hey everybody, there was only two things that you could do tonight. One was to binge Netflix and the other one was to say shoot a comet that's flying in the sky that only comes around every 8,000 years. Which one would you pick? We're going with the comet. So anyhow, we're getting out there tonight. We're gonna try to shoot this thing. We have no idea what we're doing. This is most definitely probably going to end terribly, but you gotta try, right? Can we get a good, crisp, clear photo? I don't know, because I barely know how to shoot at night. Well, we just got home. It's 1:30 and hopefully we got some good footage or some good pictures. I don't know. See you in the morning. Good morning. We were able to get the photos downloaded and I'm going to add them to this video, but I don't really know how to video edit yet, so they're gonna appear in a box somewhere on the side. Little click sound, I'm pretty sure, and then somehow transition to them. I don't know. We're gonna try to piece this together. But anyhow, I think we got a couple good ones. Let you guys be the judge of that. So without further ado, here is some photos of the Comet NEOWISE. Tell me what you think. Well, what do you guys think? I was pretty happy with the results myself. I know it could get a little bit better. Some of the photos were a little bit grainy, but I think that's just me, probably user error, getting used to the camera and the settings. Anyhow, it was a great adventure for a Thursday night, getting away, getting out, not watching TV. If you have questions about the equipment that was used or the settings that we used, feel free to leave it in the comments. I'll try to get answers out as fast as I can. And thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. We've got a bunch more great outdoor content coming soon. Okay, some quick comet facts before we go. Got them here on the phone. NEOWISE Comet, discovered March 27th, 2020. Seems a little disturbing because it's really big and it's pretty close to Earth, and we just caught it, found it. So I guess that's normal. Risk that we live with every day. It's called NEOWISE. Comets a lot of times get named after the person that found it, but in this case it was discovered by a probe satellite thing. So they just named it after the probe satellite thing. So now we just have two things flying around space with the same name. NEOWISE is an acronym. It's like this long, so I'm going to read it from here because there's no way I can remember this. It is literally called a Near-Earth Object-Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer. I think they just threw a bunch of words together and we're like, science people, trust it. Anyhow, if you put that together, it says NEOWISE. So that's what it's named after. It's 3 miles wide, which they say is a very typical comet. So, nothing special here. However, it is the brightest comet to be seen from Earth since Hale-Bopp, which was in 1997. So that's almost, a long time. I was alive back then, I remember that one too. Anyhow, long story short, it's not going to be back for 8,786 years, so like get a move on it. If you want a photo of this thing, you want to check it out, you better get out there tonight because it's going to be gone soon.